Hi, and welcome to Matchmove for Production by VFX Tutors. I'm Josh, and in this video we'll be continuing with shot M008. In part 2 we'll be importing our camera into Maya and getting it ready to be used. So we've opened up Maya, so our first thing to do would be to import our camera in. So if we go to File, Import, and we'll go to where we exported out our camera. MM008 in the tutorial, and we'll go to our wooden creature UHD cam via 1mel. We'll import that in. It should create a scene group in your outliner. What we'll do, we'll rename this to MM so we know that's the match move. And here we have our wooden creature camera, sequence camera with all our keys down here. And then we have our lens camera. We can go ahead and delete that. We do not need that anymore. So if we go to Panels, Perspective, and Woodland Creature, we can look for our camera, and it still has this image sequence that we tracked on. So we need to change this. So if we select our camera, then go over to our Attribute Editor, then just click right on this arrow and go to Image Plane Shape. What we can do, we can change our alpha gain to 0.7, so we bring a little bit of opacity to our plate. What we do, we go to change our image name to where our Understory Plate is. So it's in our UDP. Select our first one. It doesn't matter which one you select. Then we'll select Use Image Sequence. And we'll scroll down and we'll change our depth to 1. So now we can scroll through and we can easily use this plate for reference in Maya. And so if you're animating something down here, it's really useful to be able to scrub through and play blast quite quickly. So our next step would be to import our set geo. So we go File, Import, and we go to Data, Set Geo, and we'll import that in. It could take quite a while because it's quite dense. So that's imported in. As we can see, it's got quite a nice amount of detail in it. So if you do have your creature walking on here and around these little bits of green fern or moss, you'll be able to get it walking or crawling within depth really nicely. And all these tiny little things really do help with creating realistic visual effects. So what we'll do, we'll select this and Control G and make that into a group. We'll just call that Set Geo. Or we can do middle mouse click and drag that onto Matchmove. And then we're done. Everything's all in Maya, it's ready to go, the cameras are set up. Yeah, and that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial for this shot. And I'll see you next on the next shot. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more like this.